Do you want to make your Snapchat account public account? No worries, here is an advanced guide on how to make a Snapchat profile public profile by using your iPhone or Android. So without wasting your time, let's do it. To do that, open Snapchat app, tap on profile icon, scroll down. Here you can see the Create Public Profile option. If you do not get this option, then try by Settings. Tap on the Settings icon, top of the right corner. After that, tap on Birth Date. Tap on the date and update it, and ensure that make your age maximum 18 plus. Go back, scroll down, come on Privacy Control, and make most of the options public like View Story, Contact Me, etc. After doing that, come back to your profile. Now you will get the Create Public Profile option, and make your profile by following instructions. So, this is how you can make your Snapchat profile a public profile. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!